start creating this base, which is driven off this profile, working from a 1600 by 700 rectangle. Then we'll do some offset lines and some trimming. Before we start this, I want to make sure I'm in the correct plane, so I want to be looking to the right of here. Start with our rectangle then. 1600 by 700. There are many ways we can do the next bit. I'm going to use just an offset, single offset, offset by 100 millimeters. I want to maybe do 8 of them, and then I want a 200 one, and I only want a single. Come down from here, done. And now I'm going to create some lines. To line from here to here, and then from here to here. Okay, so then we'll do some deleting things we don't want. So holding the control key down. Don't need any of these. Now, delete. Do some trimming. Click the bit we want to keep. And then we'll trim using break, which is this. Okay, done. And we'll delete that. Talk about doing some mirroring. We're going to mirror these entities. Got the midpoint of there. Okay, and then we'll do some trimming again. So trim. Okay, done. And we'll delete that. We should then be able to extrude that. And I want to go down. I think it's 5100. So we have start of our machine base. So we'll pick up this face. And then onto that, let's have a look on the end of there. We'll insert our profile, and it's the pair of star rails. Open that, drop that down on here. Okay, let's just edit the origin. We'll drag that from there to there, and we'll see that we need to rotate these. 2D rotate these elements. Okay, about this point I want to move them, and I think I want to go probably, let's try 90 degrees preview. No, let's try 180. Let's try 270. That's better. Apply. Just agree with that. Okay. Okay. So now we can extrude those. And I want to extrude those. And extrude them to the plane. Choose the face. Come around here. This is the face. Let's preview that. Okay, let's have a look at that. Good. I think that's the base complete. To create our x-axis, we're going to start by creating this profile, starting with a rectangle 1400 by 1800, put a chamfer and some fillet rads. So let's start with a rectangle 1400 by 1800. Drag these out of the way. Okay, I'm going to do an offset of maybe 1000 from here, and 700 from here. And then we do some trimming. Click onto the bit you want to keep. I'm looking at doing a chamfer, and maybe a distance of, let's say, 300 by 300. We'll come back and edit this in a moment. Done. And a fillet rad. Let's do a fillet radius of maybe 50. This little corner here. Done. Come back and edit this, and I want that to be 500. Okay, we're now ready to extrude that. So into new component, extrude. I want to extrude that down, I think. Yep. So let's go down, and that's by a distance of 700. So we're now going to use the insert profile command to create these bearing blocks on this vertical and horizontal face. So we'll select our construction plane as being on here. I want the origin of that to be up by 350 millimeters in the Y. Let's have a look on the end. And on there then we'll insert our profile, which is going to be the bearings. That about the origin. We're going to have to rotate those. 2D rotate. Okay. I want to move them probably 90 degrees. Got this origin, let's preview. Let's try 270. It's better. Okay. So while we're there, we'll create some new components. We'll extrude those down by 150. Okay, and then we'll do a copy of those. We'll do our 3D translate. Pick up this, hold the control key down and that. I want to move them in X, and it's minus 700 plus 150. 0 on that, 0 on that, and preview that. That's looking good. Okay. Let's pick the next construction plane. We'll transform the reference point on that by 350 again. Insert our profile. We want the bearings on there. I think we do. Yeah. They need to be the other way up though. So let's do a rotate again. Okay. Do that by 180 degrees. At this point, we'll move preview. Okay. Extrude these down by 150. Preview that. Okay. Now we're going to copy those. I can't remember what the length of that was, so we'll just use this little tool here. So from here to here is 1400. 1400 less 150 is 1250. So we'll do our 3D translate. We're looking at this and this, and we're moving it down the y-axis. 1250, 0 in the X, 0 in the Z. Previewed that. Oh, it's in the Y-axis. I went and put it in the X-axis. Preview that, that's better. Okay. So now we've completed our X-axis with bearing blocks.